Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life. So in this video today we have a collaboration and it's called Antonette's Vignettes and that's hosted by Antonette Decorating. Now the co-host of this collab is Deena from Graceful Living. The theme for this month is called Black and Gold, Never Get Old. I'm going to be listing the host and the co-host channels down below in the description box along with the playlist. So make sure and head on over there and watch all of the beautiful vignettes made in black and gold. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be making a couple of DIYs before we head on over to the vignette. So we're going to start out here by painting this home sign, which I purchased at the Dollar Tree with the color of metallic gold. Okay, look how beautiful this came out. It is absolutely gorgeous, that metallic color. So now we can't end this without placing or decorating it with a buffalo check bow and a jute twine bow. And I thought this bow would look absolutely beautiful with one of the little clear gems right in the center, just to give it that little pop of bling. So we glued that bow to the corner and this is how it looks. It came out absolutely beautiful. Now let's move on to the next step. Now we're going to be decorating this shadow box that I purchased at the Dollar Tree along with this wooden sign. So after I painted that shadow box in the metallic gold, I decided to go ahead and use the Mod Podge and then sprinkle the inside with some gold glitter. Now it's time to glue the sign down and then embellish it a little bit before we move on to the vignette. These pieces came out absolutely beautiful, and I hope you think so too. So let's start out by decorating for the vignette. What I'm doing here is just moving stuff around until I find the right place that I feel happy with. Okay, so now we're moving on over to the reveal. I'm so excited. Let's go. So I hope you liked the video. If you did, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys.